In this video, we test and replace the rear wiper motor on an Audi A4 Avant 8K model, which was manufactured from 2007 to 2015. Common malfunctions of this part include the rear wiper not parking in place and the rear washer failing to work, with brown water stains being found on the tailgate opening area as a result. If left unchecked, water can ingress into the spare wheel battery area from the washer fluid leaking from the wiper motor. The wiper motor leakage is caused by a blocked rear washer nozzle or pipe, which causes the washer fluid to leak internally into the wiper motor, corroding the internals of the motor mechanism. The excess fluid leaks from the damaged wiper motor and seeps into the spare wheel area, which can affect the battery and battery control module, causing multiple voltage-related faults with other control units if not rectified. This issue is highlighted in a Febi Pro Tip technical bulletin, which can be found on our Parts Finder catalogue. To replace the rear wiper motor, remove the rear wiper arm cap, washer nozzle, and the rear wiper arm. Check for blockages along the way. Raise the tailgate, unclip the luggage lamp and remove it. Remove the inner trim panels to uncover the fixing screws and remove them. Then pull down on the main trim panel to release it from the tailgate. Unclip the washer fluid tube and release it from the wiper motor. Remove the 3 nuts retaining the motor from the tailgate. Then release the wiring connector. With all the disassembled parts on the bench, the new Febi wiper motor can be unboxed and all protective packaging removed. In the case of the Audi featured in this video, after inspecting the original wiper motor, it was clear that the internal mechanism had become corroded, confirming the cause of the fault. The new wiper motor can now be assembled. Attach it to the tailgate and refix the wiring connector along with the washer fluid tube. The tailgate's trim panel can then be reattached. Push the fixing clips back into place, followed by all retaining screws, inner trim panels, and the luggage lamp. Next, lower the tailgate and attach the wiper arm to the wiper motor spindle. Align it with the glass and tighten in place. Then refix the washer nozzle with the cap. With all parts assembled, test the rear washer and wiper to ensure their correct operation. Once satisfied that both are working correctly, the driver can now be confident of having ideal visibility in all conditions.